Hey, to use adapt sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to open the settings. Then from this, you will have to actually scroll down and move into the sounds and vibration. Now from this, you will have to actually go into the sound quality and the effects, then click on the adapt sound. And now click on it. And from this, we can adapt sound for media and the calls, or we can set only for media or only for calls. In my case, I'm going to choose only media. And from here, you can also pick some presets under 30 years old, between 30 and 60, and over 60 years old. So we can also find short description for every preset, but also we can add your personalized sound profile by clicking here. Then you get some instruction that you have to go into a quiet place, put your headphones on the head and close all the multimedia apps, and then you have to test your hearing to find the best sound for you, and then you can just click start to perform this setup. And when you pick one of the default presets, you can also click on this icon, and from here you can set some other options like sound preference, preferred ear for calls, and take a look for the preview of this preset. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.